Tim Thomas here. In this video, we're going to be talking about a formula for success for 2025. It's going to be incredible. Great things are happening. And I could not be more excited. We're going to be talking about the Magic Money Number Postcard System. But before we get started, go ahead and like this video. Tap the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Great things are happening, and I could not be more excited. I'm going to roll the intro, and we're going to talk about what we've got going on the other side. Hey folks, Tim Thomas again. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. Helps rank the video higher. I really would appreciate it. Great things are happening. Folks, I tell you what, if you can mail a postcard or a flyer, dreams can turn into reality. We've got so much going on. But before I get started in this video with this incredible postcard system that has been created for us, let me congratulate a lot of people that have signed up over the last couple of weeks and programs with me. Jason M, Henry, Sally C. I want to congratulate Ted O, Mike C. I want to congratulate Rachel Hoffer, and some of the other names. And if I missed a name, I apologize. But I tell you what, multiple streams of income. Jose Green talks about it all the time. Multiple streams of income. Tap the like button, guys. I really would appreciate it. It would help me rank the video higher. And you can leave a comment below the video if you want to. Great things are happening. I'm telling you what, we are on a tear to the upside with these programs. And you need to get them partnered into something. Multiple streams of income for the going into the new year is where it's at. You got to plug in, guys. It's go time. We're going to give you some examples of what we feel that you can make in some of these programs. Of course, as an income disclaimer, in life nothing happens till you take action. Sky can be the limit. Jose Green just sent me a video. He just mailed 600 postcards of the Magic Money formula. And we've got the money. We got the money block programs coming for our admin, Greg Bethay. And could not be more excited. But what we've got going on, friends, if you want to know all the programs I'm involved with, go into my playlist here. I got them listed in the playlist. I'm in about 8, 9 different programs. Every one of them are working. Fantastic. Multiple streams of income. We're leading with big ticket and or instant pay programs on the front side. And on the back side, we're building out the residual programs. The American Bill Money. Number 1 is American Bill Money, our residual. And we're looking at also Wealth Step by Step and VIP on the back side. But I'm telling you what, the residual 100 postcard, guys, I did a video of that. I had 3 people join in the residual 100. That postcard, watch that video there. It is incredible. Go back in your leisure time and watch that video. Folks, postcard marketing, direct mail is on a tear. It will be like this for the next foreseeable future. People say, well, Timothy, I remember the good old days of mail order. It has never been this good. Tap the notification bell, folks. Hit the like button. Comment in the video, below the video. It's never been this good. It's never been this good. And it's only getting better. We are aiming for the moon. And we're inviting you to come along on the inside. Here's American Bill Money. Here's the Magic Money formula number. Digital Wealth Pro. Of course, you guys know how I feel about the big ticket program. My high ticket program is Supreme Profit System. The leverage profit system. That thing's on a tear to the upside. We also have these other programs, folks. And I'm not going to go over all of them right here in this video. But y'all know what I'm in. And if you want to know what I'm in also, go up under my playlist and you will see a list of all the programs I'm currently involved in. One day I'll talk about this program. The next day I'll talk about this program, and I'll rotate it around. Today in this video, we're going to talk about the Magic Money postcard system, and it is incredible. I won't also, well, I joined another program, folks, probably 6 months ago called Send It Academy. We're going to talk about this in another video. Send It Academy is incredible. That Send It Academy program, you get paid $5 per letter. If you want the details, comment, send me the details or send me a direct message. I'm going to do another video on this, another video, but you get $5 for each letter that you write. I'm going to talk about this in another video. I am getting paid consistently. Every day I write letters. It is incredible, guys. But let's stick to this. Really, what I want this video to be about is about the magic money number postcard system. Just incredible. Great things are happening with this postcard. If you can mail it, there is no selling, no telling, no explaining with this postcard. It is a done for you system. It is all done for us. And if you can mail a postcard, you can absolutely win. The postcard looks just like this. This is the one side of it. This is the back side. You can put your information, your return address here. Magic money number delivers nonstop $25 payments on autopilot. Flip it over and learn how to get cash into your mailbox. Just absolutely astounding. Brian has pulled No Stops out. He's the admin of our program. He created an incredible program that is going to change lives. Folks, that's what it's all about. We get on these videos and we talk about these systems, and they're changing people's lives. People say, well, Timothy, you're in a bunch of programs. Yes, I am. Well, why are you in several programs? I asked, well, do you want to make $5,000 a month, or do you want to make $10,000, $15,000 a month? Ask yourself the question. Do you want to make $1,000, $5,000, $2,000, $3,000 a month? Or do you want to make $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 a month? And folks, I tell you what, I'm consistently month after month after month, well above 10 most months. Of course, again, as an income disclaimer, these programs do not work themselves. You mail them out. You work the systems. And when you do it, folks, the sky's the limit. This program here would deliver nonstop $325 payments directly to your mailbox. When you make a sale, it goes directly to you. The recorded messages will reveal how simple the program is. The money order payments, Zelle payments, Cash App, however you want to get paid, will be sent directly to you. They'll send $25 goes to the admin. $25, not $50. So the admission of this program, it's going to be $350 to get started. And then for the life of the program, you're in for $325. Folks, sent directly to your mailbox. It's extremely easy to do. There's no selling, no talking to people, no learning curve. Somebody say, I can do this. Come close. Yes, you. Come here. You can do this. You can do this. You watching this video. Yeah, anybody watching this video can do this system. It is proven and realistic, and it actually works. How to get started? You're going to call the 24-hour call. It's about a 2-minute message there. You're going to leave your name, your phone number, and the PIN number that was listed on your postcard. And that's all you have to do. This is automation. Folks, we have got to find a way. You have got to find a way, sir, ma'am, to leverage yourself beyond your wildest imaginations, to allow systems of duplication, systems that will do the follow-up for you, systems that will sell and tell and explain for you non-stop, folks. You will be assigned a PIN number. My PIN number is 1120 1120. That's when you call, you give the admin that. And that's it. And you mail the postcard over and over. When you join, you're going to get recommended mailing list directory where we're getting direct mail leads from. These are people that are buyers and a combination of buyers and sellers. These people are looking to work from the comfort of their home. And when you show them a viable business that makes sense, they can and will partner with you. I'm excited about the magic money number postcard. Get fired up, folks. Get excited. about what we got our hands on, get excited about the system, and it's go time. If you can mail this postcard, you can win extremely big in this program. Well, that is my time for today. Whatever you do, if you're not a member of the Magic Money Number, guys, grab this thing. You don't have to do videos. You don't have to do. Can you mail the postcard? Can you pass it out? We even got the strip here, guys, that you can place drop cards. Look at this, drop cards of this thing. A business cards, the $100 bill drop card, and you can win. Here are some simple ads that you can place. You can make at least $325 per day. Very simple, very easy to do. Call the 24-hour recording. Here's the number. It is a 24-hour message, and there's the PIN number. Folks, look at that. That's an ad you can use in the Shore to Shore magazine, in ad magazines, newspaper ads. The sky can be the limit. You plug into systems and put money worries beneath you. Put them away so you won't ever have to again worry about money again in your life. That is just that simple. Get paid $3.25 a pop for sharing a phone number. And it's just that simple. Here's another ad. I'm telling you what, the Magic Money Number postcard is incredible. It is changing people's lives. It can change yours today. And all you do is plug in, get started, and you're going to order your postcards. We got a company called the Office Annex. You're going to go and quickly order your postcards same day that you join, and you can win. You can even get a PDF from the company, from the Office Annex. You can get a PDF from them and get your postcard sent to you through email. This is incredible times ahead. Tax time is going to be upon us in a little bit, and I could not be more excited about what we got our hands on here. Folks, it's my time for today. I want to see you win big. And I'll see you at the top, at the bank, and on the next Magic Money Number postcard.